Hello guys, this is a lovely girl. Now I come there. Hello.
Oh, hi.
Uh, I have a homework. It is a short interview. Can I ask you any questions?
Of course.
The first questions. How much do you know about recycling?
Sorry, I know a little bit. Such as what material can be recycled, some made to recycle some material.
Do you know what material can be recycled on campus?
I think such as newspaper, case, pen case, or plastic bottles.
Know how to prepare them for recycling?
I think the easy way to prepare them that I can use trash can with garbage. This makes the collection very convenient.
How often do you recycle your plastic bottle and aluminum can on campus?
1 or 2 times a month. I usually use plastic bottle to make some base of flour.
How often do you recycle your paper on campus?
I often use a half of it to clean my bedroom window and other half of it to sell the people who buy it. I can receive some money for me, or I can use this money to support the poor people.
What's your difficulty level on deciding on what item can be recycled or not?
I find it a bit difficult to choose items that can be recycled in their ability.
What's your difficult level on finding a collection site?
I don't have much difficulty because I use the canvas to do.
What's your difficult level on carrying to collection site?
It's quite easy because the materials are not heavy and bulky.
Do you think there are enough paper recycling bin on campus?
The school students are busy, so their paper consumption are also high. I can see a lot of bins around campus, but there are not enough bins for all students.
Do you think there are enough plastic bottle and aluminum can recycling bin on campus?
Similarly, the demand for food are also high, so there are enough bins for all students.
What's your suggestion for raising student awareness for recycling?
Suggest open some ways to attention booths or celebrate awareness campaign and workshop.
Oh, thank you very much.
Okay.
Hello, my name is Him. I survey to complete. Can I ask you about a question?
Yes, right.
How much do you know recycling?
Recycling is the process of converting waste material into new material or new object. Um, Recycling can prevent the waste of the potential useful material and reduce the consumption of the fresh raw material. Therefore, reducing energy usage, air pollution, and air water.
Do you know what material can be recycled on campus?
I think there are aluminum can, cardboard, clothing, or battery cell phone, maybe plastic bag, and paper.
Do you know how to repair them for recycling?
I don't know much, but I think first on is collecting them, let me classify them, then clean them, and the last is recycle them.
How often do you recycle? Aluminum can or plastic bottle on campus?
I don't often recycle them because I don't have them a lot.
How about how often do you use your paper on campus?
1 or 2 times a year because when I have a lot of used paper, I always take it to collection site. In that year, they classify them and
Hi, my name is Dan. My name is Ray. I have a survey to be complete. Can I ask you some answer?
Okay.
Okay. How much do you know about recycling?
I think the challenge is the process of converting waste material into new material and objects. Recycling can prevent the waste of potentially useful material and reduce consumption of fresh raw material, thereby reducing energy usage, air pollution, and water pollution.
And do you know what materials can be recycled on campus?
I think they are aluminum cans, have rod, the past, or floating batteries, cell phone, plastic bags, and paper.
Okay. Then, do you know how to prepare them for recycling?
I don't know much, but I think first is collecting, next is classify them, then list them, and the last is recycle them.
And how often do you recycle your plastic bottles and aluminum cans on campus?
I don't often recycle my plastic bottle and aluminum cans. Campus.
Then how often do you recycle your used paper on campus?
I don't often recycle. Once or twice time a year. It can when I have a lot of useful paper. I always that is to collecting side in that have they classify them and recycle them.
Okay. And what's your difficulty level on recycling?
Hello everyone, I am Will. I'm the report writer. Today, we will see how you will answer the questions of our team interview. Come on. After the following is a statistical result. The first questions. How much do you know about recycling? Comments for that. All with more than 60% are knowledgeable about recycling. The second question. Do you know what material can be recycled on campus? Over 90% of the respondents said paper, cans, and plastic glass. Third question. Do you know how to prepare them for recycling? Wow, almost 100% of you want to collect it. Next is classifying them, then clean them, and the glass is recycle them. Fourth question. How often do you recycle your plastic bottle and aluminum can on campus? About 30% on all time amount. They often use plastic bottles to make some waste, while the rest they do not recycle. Fifth question. How often do you recycle your paper on campus? They often use a half of it to clean my bedroom window and another me or use this money for the board. Sixth question. What your difficult level on deciding on why it stems can be recycled or not. Over 30% said it was a bit difficult and about 60% do not use it. Seventh question, what your difficult level on finding collection aside? Their difficult level is finding collection aside over 60% and about 30 for the problem are nothing. 8th question, what's your difficult level on carrying items to the collection site? Difficult level on carrying items to the collection site, no problem and easy. 9th question, do you think there are enough paper recycling bins on campus? About recycling bins on campus, over 60% for that is enough and about 30% for that there are not enough bins for all students. 10th question, do you think there are enough aluminum cans, bottle, plastic bins on campus? The same as recycling bin on campus. Over 60% for that is enough and about 30% for that there are not enough bins for all students. What's your suggestion for raising students' awareness on recycling? Over 60% therefore that should make video about how to recycle rabbits or take them to collecting too easy for people recycling and about celebrate awareness campaigns and workshops. Finally, the group of reporters want to send everyone a message. Join hands to protect the environment. Thank you. Say goodbye.